All right, mathematicians, another way to do division is using the standard algorithm, also known as long division. If you were to ask a parent to show you how to do division, this is probably the strategy that they would show you. So just like last time, no matter how you're doing your division, you start the same way. You write your number inside its little house with the number you're dividing by on the outside. With the standard algorithm, it's very similar to the box method, but instead of having boxes, we're going to be moving down. That's why it's called long division, because it's very long. So same as before though, we're going to take our digit, our 5, and ask ourselves how many times the 5 fits into each digit in turn. So how many times does 5 fit into 1? Well, it doesn't fit into 1. So just like in the box method, I need to mark on top that the 5 fits into 1 0 times. So now instead of 1, how about I look at 13? How many times does 5 fit into 13? I can count by 5s, and I will discover that 2 5s fit into 13. 2 5s is 10. So I will take away my 2 5s from the 13 that I used. I'm left with 3. Let's change colors. So now, how many times does 5 fit into, oh wait, before I do my next step, I need to bring down my digits at the top that I haven't used yet. Bring down my 0 and my 4. Okay, so now I can ask myself, how many times does 5 fit into 3? Well, it doesn't, so let's keep going. How many times does 5 fit into 30? Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It fits in 6 times. So I'm going to take away 6 5s, which is 30. If I take away 30, I'm just left with that 4. And then I have to do the same thing. I need to ask myself, how many times does 5 fit into 4? Well, 5 does not fit into 4, so I would mark it with a 0. I have nowhere else to go. I've used all my digits, so that is my remainder. And then if I look up at the top of my division, here's my answer, here's my remainder. So my answer is 260 with a remainder of 4. And there's your long division or your standard algorithm.